Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Electrical Concepts. My name is Avigyan Roy. So in this video lecture, I'll be discussing three-phase rotating magnetic field. Okay, so here we will see why does the three-phase magnetic field rotate or why is it rotating in nature. Okay, so let's start. So as I have mentioned here, see, for creating three-phase rotating magnetic field, all the phases should be 120 degree apart from each other in both time and space. Okay, so now see, this is three-phase system, three-phase supply voltage say R, Y and B, and these three phases are 120 degree apart in time, okay, not in space. This is the variation with respect to time, right? So now suppose this is a synchronous machine, either alternator or synchronous motor. This is the rotor and the outer circumference is the stator, and inside stator there are some small circles, and these small circles are indicating the stator slot through which the conductors are passed. Okay. Now this is the connection of three-phase 440 volt 50 Hz AC supply. See, red phase is entering from here and coming out from here. Similarly, Y phase and blue phase. Okay, RYB is the sequence, and as you can see, all the phases are connected at neutral point, so it is clear that it is a star connection. All right. And one more thing, as I said that these three phases should be 120 degree apart in space also. See, if it is R phase, here is the Y phase, and as you can see, R phase and Y phase are making 120 degree angle in space. See R phase and Y phase, and this is B phase, so they are actually making 120 degree with each other, and this is in space, right? Okay, so now let's move forward. So this is the cross and dot convention using thumb rule. As we know, if the current is entering inside the surface, which that is denoted as cross, and in that case you put your thumb in the direction of the surface in the downwards direction, and if you rotate rest of your fingers, then it will rotate in clockwise direction, and this clockwise direction is indicating the rotation of magnetic field. Similarly, if the current is coming upwards from the surface, likewise, if you place your thumb at the outward direction, and if you then try to rotate rest of your fingers, then the direction of rotating field will be in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so now let's see how does the magnetic field rotate. See, red phase and blue phase are having positive value and yellow phase having negative value. Okay, so let's assume that positive means the current is going towards the machine. See, red phase and from blue phase, see, the current is going towards the machine, and as the yellow phase is having negative value, so from yellow phase current is coming out of the machine. So this is just for the this is just an assumption. Okay, because in either case, if one is going inside, then another one has to come outside. Okay, so that is the concept of positive and negative. So see, the current is going like this and entering through this slot and coming out from this slot and like this. Similarly, for blue phase also, it is entering from this slot and coming out from this slot, but for in case of yellow phase, it is entering from here and coming out from here. Okay, so now see, as I've said, for cross, what happens? The magnetic field rotates in clockwise direction. Okay, so see here, these three, this and these are having cross connection. So in that case, what will be the direction of magnetic field? It will be clockwise direction. So magnetic field will be rotating in clockwise direction. Okay, similarly, for dot cases, see these are the dots, right? In that case, what will happen? The magnetic field will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is the anti-clockwise direction. See, that means now if you combine them, okay, if you combine them, then it will look like this. See, if you combine all the magnetic fields of for all the dots and also for all the crosses, so the direction will be like this. Similarly, for all the crosses, it will be like this, and the direction will be like this. Okay, now see, the magnetic field is going from this side to that side. Okay, so as we know, in case of magnet, we know that magnetic field comes out from the north pole and enters from the south pole, and inside the magnet it flows from south pole to the north pole. So now that entire stator has become a magnet. So it is coming out from here. See, it is coming out from here. Again, it is entering from here, and it is going from south pole to north pole through from the inside of part of the magnet. Similarly, it is going from north to south. It is coming back and it is entering into the magnet and completes the path. This is nothing but the air gap, right? That is why if you want to show the direction of magnetic field, it will be this arrow. Okay, so now if you want to show what is north pole, see, this will be north pole and that will be south pole, and magnetic field is coming from north pole to south pole in the air. Similarly, at next step, at T2 instance, see, only red is positive and yellow and blue are negative, and that is how the arrangement is completely changed. Okay, so the position of cross and dots are rearranged. So here these three are crosses and these three are dots. So what will be the direction? So it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. For this also it will be like this. That means it is, the direction will be this. So that will be north pole and that will be south pole. Okay, this is how if you go on, you will get different arrangements, and that is how the poles locations will be changing. That is, and accordingly the magnetic field direction will also be changing in nature. As you can see, it is continuously changing, and as you can see, it is just rotating. See, let's see once again. See, it is rotating in nature. See, it is rotating in nature. See, it is rotating in nature. Okay, so that is how it actually rotates, and that is the reason behind its rotating nature. So now I think the concept is clear to you, that why does it rotate. So that's all from this video lecture, and if you have liked this video, then please share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In next video I will come up with some more interesting concept like this. Thank you and thanks for watching.